I'm priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, and I'm going to apply that on the lids and blending it out with a fluffy synthetic brush. And for the eyes, I'm going to use the Colourpop Single Press Powder Shadows, and I'm going to use the shade Locked and Loaded, and I'm going to place that in the inner eye first and then working my way all the way to the outer eye. And I want to have a nice base for the other eyeshadows. I'm taking this rosy shade and it's called The News, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush from Sigma. This is the E40 brush, and I'm blending that and diffusing that all over the crease, and I just want like some depth into the crease, so I'm using this type of shade. To deepen it up, I'm going to use the shade Note to Self, and I'm applying that in the crease as well, but I'm using a different fluffy brush. I really like how this turns out. I think this is like an everyday eye look, especially for all types of events like work, school. So now for my highlight, to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use in the shade Blowfish by Colourpop. And these shadows are really good. They're only $6, and I love the quality and I love how pigmented they are. So I'm going to apply the same shade onto the lid that I used to highlight the inner eye and also to have that first space. So that's what I did on the lid. And then for eyeliner, I'm taking CATRICE Matte Liquid Liner in Dating Joe Black, and I do like a small wing, nothing too dramatic. For lashes, I'm using the Xlash Enhancer Mascara to coat my lashes, and then I'm taking KoKo lashes in Demi G, and I'm going to apply that right on the base where I apply the eyeliner, and then I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm going to moisturize with the Urban Decay moisturizer, and I do talk about this in my monthly favorites a couple of videos ago. Then I'm going to color correct my under eyes using the erase paste from Benefit, and I'm going to prime my face, which I totally forgot. I'm going to prime my face, and then I'm going to apply the foundation from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Dewy foundation, and you can use any type of foundation. I just wanted to go with more of a dewy look. And for the under eyes, I'm using the Kat Von D concealer, and I'm going to blend that out with the Ulta Beauty sponge. And this concealer, it's really nice. It reminds me of the MAC Pro Longwear, but in a wand form, and I like that it gives me a lot of coverage too. And to highlight my under eyes, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and to brighten up the under eye just a little bit more. I want to set my under eyes with the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Light, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm going to set that under eye. And I'm going into my face with the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Powder Foundation. I'm going to set that foundation, and then for bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium to deep. And I bronze everywhere because back in those days, they had like a nice light bronzy look. It's nothing like how it is now, but they did have a little bit of contouring. And I contour my nose here, of course. And then I'm gonna fix up my eyeliner because I want to cover up that lash base. So for blush, I'm using MAC Cosmetics blush in Blushbaby. They had a lot of blush back in those days. And for highlight, I'm going in with the highlight by Dose of Colors. For lips, I'm going to use a red lip liner from Essence, and then I'm going to use the lipstick from Melt Cosmetics and Belladonna 2. I'm going to go back into that palette to add some color under my lash line, and after that I'm setting my makeup and I'm going to apply some mascara as well. Thank you so much guys for watching my nice pinup look. I haven't done one in a while. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and check out for the end for the subscription and the last video.